I've been working on this round tub, and I put a little fence a little bit higher up there, because this is a gourd I planted, and they'll want to go as high as it can. And I hope when it goes up high, you'll hook onto the strings, take off. Now I got kale in this one also, and I've been eating on it. It's good. So I just took the wire off this because I got wire all the way around this so chickens don't eat it. Take a look, see what this is. I wasn't sure why I planted it in here, but don't know what it is yet. And there's some kale, and the bees are in here. I like that. So I just put a baby pepper in here. This is Malabar spinach. It wants to climb on the fence, but I want to take that in the sunroom this winter and tie it up. I want it to start working on the fence, and so I can take the whole fence up. And there is a sweet potato vine. My carrots is going to seed. Hope to get some carrot seeds off that. And I planted some more sweet potato vines in here, and got that, and I've been eating off this also. So I got the fence back on it, got them all caged up, and it doesn't bother me if the chickens would jump up there and peck on that. That way they can get some greens. It don't bother me at all. I'm going to get that finished and get that top wire across there. So right there, I'm making a tool rack. I can put my shovels and stuff in there. I want to find another one that size and extend it. So here's my tool stand. Pretty easy. And I like the short ones, pallets, so you don't have to take it out so high. Some of them can get that tall. I just like the short ones. So that works. Here's my clubbing sticks. Them chickens get out of the way. Whack! No, it's to break ice in the winter. Yeah, that's what them are. And if the ice is real hard, we'll go in there and do that and break the ice. I'm cleaning up the pathway. We got a lot of sand down here, so if it rains, it's not muddy. So I'm going to use all this debris out there in the food forest where places are not covered and be muddy. So this helps us not sink into the mud. So I'm taking it out to the second food forest and cleaning up the walkway. We did get a little rain, which helped settle the dust. We didn't get no puddles, but you can see wet spots. One of the white girls laid an egg yesterday, and I think they're only 5 months old. How about that? So I got some bare ground out here, and when it rains hard, it really gets muddy. So I'm going to put the mulch on it, and you can see over here there's different spots I want to cover up. I got a lot of helpers out here. So I'm going to put all my picking up stuff in here. Well, that looks better. The pine trees, they leave a lot of needles, pine needles on the ground once in a while, and I pick them up and use them for something. So that looks a lot better. In a little bit, I'm going to cut the limbs back so I can walk up here. It's getting hard. Make it a lot easier for me and the dogs. So I'll be doing that. I got my stairway cleaned back up. And now I can get up there and watch the weather. Every day it builds up with clouds. Last night we got that sprinkle. This morning it was 62 degrees. So I feel like the monsoon is here, and clouds are getting built up every evening. Almost feels like fall now. So I'm really happy to get this stairway cleaned back up. Got my pathway cleaned up. Got the old girls out here. And they're enjoying themselves. So thanks for watching from Out West Homestead. Oh, that was the little roosters crowing. They're so cute. See you later. Bye.